And good day. We're having a look at this. It's some mica powders, 24 colours, 0.35 ounce or 10 millilitre selection for slime, epoxy resin, soap, paints, nail, polymer clay and more. Not a lot to look on the box. It is colourful though, I must admit. And that's all there is. Let's open it up and we'll see what's inside. If I can open it, that is. There we go. And through them, I'll lift them out, let you look at them each one at a time, give you an idea of what the colours are like. That's a nice colour. Heaps to choose from. Yeah, they're quite colourful, that's for certain. It's a definite purple. Green, metallic-y. That's the orange we looked at. That's a nice colour too. The label's on a bit crooked in that one. That's a nice colour, bronze colour. That's copper. Not bad. Yeah, the colours are quite decent. Lots to look at. Certainly have some fun playing with these, I think. I still like the gold. There's a couple that I've seen in here that I'm rather partial to. So yeah, they're quite acceptable. I don't mind that at all. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. Perhaps you've got a different mica powder that you use and you consider it better than this one. Please let me know. I'd love to know in the comments, and with a bit of luck, might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.